In this issue, we will introduce some precautions. These are very important. If the operation is not good, it will break the machine and the working head. We should now focus on some important points. When manually controlling the movement of this working head, move it forward and backward. When manually controlling the movement of the working head, be sure to check it first, whether there is any interference between this working head and the product on the fixture or the hidden danger of possible collision. When this job head moves towards me, does this fixture and the product on the fixture protrude? Is this profile placed properly? We checked that all the aluminum profiles on the left and right clamps were properly placed. And then there's the height of an aluminum profile. If the height of this aluminum profile is not placed properly, it will be damaged. Before moving, we must first check whether there is a risk of collision. Be sure to check first and then move the workhead manually. Check the width of the fixture, aluminum grid on the fixture. Check the drill bit, screw working head. Examine this impact problem during this movement. We also need to check another work item. When we adjust the width of the working head movement. This is controlled by the handle to move the working head. Adjust its width with the handle. It's this axis that's moving, forward or backward. When moving, first release this fixing block. All fixed blocks are released. There are many fixed blocks in this one. Because this is the debugging width, there is a fixed block. Because this is the adjustment width through these two motors. There's a motor over there, and there's a motor here. It moves forward and backward through these two motors. Before adjusting the width, we must first loosen the fixing block. Take a look to see if there is a fixed block in this one. There are fixed blocks on the left and right sides. After releasing, we can adjust the width of the movement through the handle. When we are debugging the width, the handle display will remind you that you need to check and release the fixed block before moving. When the handle reminds, be sure to check and release all the fixed blocks before moving. When you release the fixed block, we click release to tell the machine that you have released it and you can move it.